Hello, my name is Michelle Jaarah. I am a candidate in the Educational Technology Leadership Program at Lamar University. I'm in the process of completing an internship at Lake Travis High School in Austin, Texas. There are 2,820 students, grades 9 through 12, attending Lake Travis High School. The student population consists of the following: 69% white students, 19.7% Hispanic, 5.6% Asian, 1.5% African American, 3.9% two or more races, 0.2% American Indian, and 1.1% Pacific Islander. 8.8% of our students are classified as economically disadvantaged. 2% are ELLs, 1.4% are or have disciplinary placements, and 23.1% are considered at risk. Lake Travis has a total faculty of 203. Of that 203, the faculty consists of 80.4% white, 13.2% Hispanic, and 3.8% two or more races, 1.9% African American, 0.6% American Indian, and 0.2% Asian. 73.5% of teachers hold a bachelor's degree, 26.5% hold a master's, and the average years of experience is approximately 12 years for the teachers at Lake Travis High School. In this activity, my goal is to grow as an educational leader by observing the instructional delivery and classroom learning environment from the perspective of the principal and instructional leader. During the observation, I will pay close attention to instructional strategies, differentiated instruction, and student engagement. I will be observing Callie Nichols, who's a biology teacher. She teaches both on-level biology and AP biology. This is Callie's 8th year of teaching in the classroom. I chose to observe her because I believe her classroom experience will give me the opportunity to observe a variety of strategies in action. I was able to meet with Callie for a pre-conference. We decided that I'm going to observe her 4th period, 9th grade on-level biology class. There's a total of 20 students, including a handful of ELLs and 504 students. The lesson plan includes a warm-up review over the structure of DNA, mitosis, and meiosis, followed by an electronic multiple choice assessment. Students will then be led through a whole class introduction for a lab activity. The students will work in lab groups to complete the lab and the handout. The teacher will monitor student progress and check for understanding during the lab. And then finally, students will be able to use the lab handout to complete an electronic multiple choice individual assessment. The warm-up includes a teacher-led review followed by students playing Quizlet live. This allows students to get up, move around, and collaborate with other students. The lab introduction requires students to follow along and highlight text while random students are called on to read. The teacher will model how to annotate notes on the document camera. The lab activity itself is hands-on and requires students to illustrate and describe their observations. Throughout the class, there's something to reach various types of learners, including visual, auditory, kinesthetic learners. Also, the teacher scaffolds support as needed for the students. However, ultimately, all must show individual mastery upon completion of the lesson. Callie is able to utilize features of electronic assessment to accommodate her students. For example, some students are going to have 3 answer choices while others still have 4. Some include pictures or diagrams, and some have the reading level adjusted to meet individual needs. So all of that is set up in the online assessment system.